Hello everybody and welcome to assignment Q. This is the second page, page 184. We're going to go through some of these problems to make sure everybody's okay with them. 1 through 6 says classify each triangle as equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Okay, so we'll go through these fairly quickly. This one is scalene. Number 1 is scalene, all the sides are different. Number 2 is equilateral. Notice all the sides are the same. And number 3 is scalene. All of the sides are different in length. Number 4 is an isosceles. Notice at least 2 of the sides are the same. Let's make sure we spell that right. Okay, and number 5, another isosceles. Yeah, we don't know the exact measurements, but 32x and 32x are the same. And then lastly, we don't know what x is, but it is equilateral. There we go. Okay, now number 7. We don't have a picture to work with, but it says find the measure of each side of equilateral triangle RST with RS equal to x plus 2, ST is 3x, and TR is 5x minus 4. Since we know this is equilateral, we can take any two of these expressions and set them equal to each other and solve for x. So, let's take 5x minus 4 and set that equal to 3x. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides to get 2x. I'm going to add 4 to both sides to get 4. And now I know that x is 2. Now what I need to do is plug 2 back into all of these to get values for them. Here, if I put a 2 in, I get 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So RS is 6. I know that this triangle is equilateral, so that means ST is also 6. And then TR is also 6 without doing any work. But if you plug in the 2 for x, you'll find that to be true. Number 8 says find the measure of each side of isosceles triangle ABC if AB equals BC, AB is 4y, BC is 3y plus 2, and AC is 3y. Now, I know that the two sides AB and BC are equal to each other, so their expressions I will set equal to each other. AB is 4y, and BC is 3y plus 2. This allows me to solve for y. I'm going to subtract 3y from both sides to get y, and that tells me y is 2. Now I need to find all three sides. I know that AB is equal to BC, so I can take this 2 and put it into the AB. 4 times 2 is 8. It'll also be 8 if I plug 2 over here. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So AB and BC are both 8. Now I need to find the AC side. 3 times y. 3 times 2 is 6. So the sides of the triangle are 8, 8, and 6. Number 9, find the measure of each side of triangle ABC with vertices A being negative 1, 5, B being 6, 1, and C being 2, negative 6. And then I classify the triangle based on the lengths of the sides. So I need to use the distance formula 3 times. I need distance for AB, distance for BC, and distance for AC. Okay, so we'll just go through each one here one at a time. The distance formula, x1 minus x2 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. Basically, it's a little easier if you think the distances of each of them squared, and then you add them together and take the square root. So AB, I'm going to look at the x-coordinates here and here. How far is it from 6 to negative 1? 7. So I'm going to square 7. And then from 5 to 1, how far is that? That's a distance of 4. 4 squared. 7 squared plus 4 squared is 57. And the square root of 57 is 7.5. Then we'll do the same thing for the other sides. BC. I look at how far is it from 6 to 2. That is a distance of 4. I need to square it. How far is it from 1 to negative 6? That's a distance of 7. And again, we have square root of 57.